Welcome back. We are all very anxious to be back together and continue to learn together. I was truly impressed with our whole staff, our whole student body, our families, and our community at how well everyone overcame the obstacles this past spring. That gets me excited knowing that anything thrown at us this year, we will be able to adapt and overcome as well. If we do have to close down for e-learning at any point, please understand that we have improved our expectations for e-learning now that we are all prepared, students, staff, and families, and the expectations for assignment deadlines will be the same as they would be if we were in session in the school building. Therefore, each teacher will go over their expectations and policies with each class at the beginning of the school year. When you start to view the videos of your teachers, you're going to notice that in each classroom, you will see that our staff has worked to socially distance each desk. Also, I do want to thank our custodial staff for all that they've done this spring and this summer and are continuing to do to clean and make sure that our building is completely ready when our students come in to keep everybody as safe as possible in a clean environment. We are all working hard to keep you safe, but we do need you to be honest and forthright. If you have any concerns about possible COVID symptoms, then we have a separate room for you to use to discuss the symptoms with Mrs. Hook, our awesome school nurse. If you have any doubt about any of your symptoms, then please see her. One other change that we want to make sure everybody knows about is entering the school in the morning. We will not be able to let students in before 7:45 a.m. each morning. No one will go to the gym once each student arrives. Instead, each student will go directly to their class, or they will go to the cafeteria if they are eating breakfast. With that in mind, I'm anxious to see all of you again, and I can't wait for our first day of class together.
I also want to welcome all of you back. I miss seeing all of you. It's been way too long. There are some rules I need to go over with you. A reminder, when in the hallway, always walk on the right side. This will make traffic flow much easier for all of us. We have 5 minutes between classes this year, so there should be no excuse for being late to class. And with that being said, middle school students especially, you need to learn to use your lock. We'll give you a chance to practice the first few days of school during one of your classes, probably during success. The expectation for lockers is that they are to be shut and locked every period, every day. There is a change in how we will conduct lunch this year. Some students will be eating in the shipyard and some will be eating in the multi-purpose room so we can maintain social distancing. We will have seating charts at lunch. However, you will be able to choose where you sit and who you sit with on the first day of school. Choose wisely, as this will be your assigned seat for the foreseeable future. We are not sure if we'll be allowing high school students in the gym during lunch or if middle school students will be going outside. We need to maintain the ability to contact trace in case someone does test positive for the virus. More information regarding lunch procedures will be communicated to you. We're also encouraging all students to bring their own clear plastic water bottles as the drinking fountains are turned off. So if you can bring your own water, that would be greatly appreciated. As per the governor's mandate, you will need to wear a mask in any situation where social distancing is not possible. In other words, you will need to wear a mask on the bus, in the hallways, when standing in line for lunch, and in class if you're working in a lab situation or small group. You will not be required to wear a mask when sitting in your desk working independently. As in all situations, you will need to listen to the direction of your teacher. Last, I hope that you will all please be flexible and considerate of your teachers, other students, and other staff members. This is a situation that changes quickly, but we can get through it if we all work together. Remember, we are here to help each other. If we do this, we'll have a great year, and I can't wait to get started.